Good morning guys. Today we are going to Bondi Beach. Dito na tayo.
Dito tayo. Ito na yung Carinderia.
So right now we are here in the Bondi Junction. We get down here because we want to eat in the Filipino restaurant, and that is this one, the Takam Cafe. And here they have sinigang, longganisa, isda, beans, fried chicken, knuckle, litson. I don't know. This one, I don't know. Sarap.
Oh.
So this is actually the Whispered shopping center here in Bondi Junction. I've been here before. And we are going first to 7-Eleven to buy a $1 coffee. Kunin ko na to. Thank you. There is a missing person here. If you see this guy, the name is Carmelo Richards. So this is the very popular tattoo artist shop here. The name is Bondi Ink, and these are the popular people. Okay na yan. 50% discount yan eh. Baka akala lang nasa Bondi Beach ka. Paano yan? So once again, Charlie. Sa kabilang malayo. Jan, Kino, and Card is going to use the surfboard.
Chopping board or surfboard?
Chopping board. Back now. This is the prices. And this bus is going to Watson Bay. We're going to go there. And now we are here in Watson Bay.
Parang Rosemary eh. Paano yan?
Siya nag-uwi naman.
Babae pa. Ano mo ba? Her ankle was recovered. Kapit ka tayo dito dyan. Yan ba eh?
The photographer, always.
Ito mo, gandang pa-collection.
Daga, tamo.
Ayun, daga oh. Ano mo?
Dagang bahay.
Akala ko sa itsura eh.
Ah, ito. Yan.
Bland yung daga.
Oh, bland.
Pasado sa IELTS yan.
So I've been to this place before, and you noticed it's in my previous video. Now I am with them, and yeah, this is the first time they've been in this place.
Here we go. Trekking time.
Mga nag-ano, nag-dive.
Ano yan?
What? Dumaan tayo sa bawal na lugar.
Bawal pala yan. Pinoy talaga yan ah.
Australian government land. Trespassing on this land is prohibited. It is still best to travel with friends because you know the feeling is different. Mahirap makipagsapalan. There is a restaurant here. A hotel restaurant. Dito muna, silipin muna natin. Silipin muna natin dito. Oh, ito oh. Oh. There's a restaurant, beach club, and we're going inside. The food in this restaurant is a bit expensive. Look, I will show you the menu. So here they have a pasta, lamb casarecce, $24. Prawn spaghetti, $30. Heirloom carrot salad, $22. Smashed avocado, $19. Fish and chips, The small one is for kids is $10. Yeah, it's expensive.